So let's have a look at the panel on this Shearling leather jacket. As you can clearly see, it has colour loss in these areas on this panel where it's been rubbed to remove, I think it got like a stain on it, a spill on it or something, and it had been removed and rubbed. And you can see here as well where it had got like a staining. I can't remember what the client said it was, but I think they actually said it was bird dropping that had landed on it when they took the coat off, and they were setting the park and it landed on them, and that was it. So they tried to rub it off and it's just taken all the colour off. So what we've got to do, I'm just going to concentrate on this panel to show you exactly how that's going to work. So we're going to use the Antique Restorer Cream, and we're going to use the dark brown. That is LRC 50. As you can see there, LRC 50 Antique Restorer Cream. So the first step and process that we've got to do is we're going to use the alcohol cleaner with the bamboo pad, and this is just to clean the panel over to ensure that it is definitely contamination free now. It will probably remove a tiny bit more colour on the surface as well, which is fine, because we need it to be a little bit more absorbent. The Antique Restorer Creams are pure dye products. They're not a balm, which is a temporary solution to any leather colouring. Antique Restorer Creams have a pure dye in them rather than a small amount of synthetic pigment, which doesn't actually dye the item. This is a physical dye and is far superior compared to an actual leather balm. Leather balms sit on the surface. The Antique Restorer Creams are a dye, so they penetrate the surface. So let's just let that naturally dry for a short period of time. So obviously with all that preparation work done, we can then start to apply the dark brown Antique Restorer Cream. The key to applying these, some of these are very runny, some of you can see this one's starting to move in the pot, but some of them are quite liquidy, depending on what they are. So you just have to be careful when you open them that you don't go spilling them on something, especially on this here, because it will stain it and you'll never get that wool brought back. So what you don't want is a big dollop like this. That is far too much. You need to get all of that off, and you just need to leave. We've got these Imitation Sea Sponges. Let me show you a brand new one. They're like this, so they're an Imitation Sea Sponge, and they're perfect. You can see there, like Imitation Sea Sponge, and they're perfect for doing what we need to do. So what it's doing is it's soaking up into these little holes like a sea sponge would have normally some of this product to enable us to dye. And then we're going to go over this in a couple of different ways to make sure that it's dyed. And you can see again, hardly nothing on the actual sponge. And we've got to make sure that this is getting dyed. And once we've done that, we can then obviously seal it if we needed to as well. It just depends what you want to do. The main thing is getting this dyed equally. We're going to go in a couple of different directions as well to make sure that it's definitely dyed. If you're a little bit nervous about getting near this, then that can all be masked up so that you can mask all that up, and then that way you're not going to get anything on it. But we're going to go in different directions to make sure that the dye is penetrated properly into the surface. Now this isn't sitting on the surface, this is penetrating into the surface because it is a pure dye. Once we've gone in different directions like we have there now, we're then going to start to very, very lightly just go over the top to even out any streaking. And there you have quite an amazing result of re-dyeing that panel on the Shearling leather jacket. And that just looks absolutely fantastic. So we use two products. We use the Antique Restorer Cream, this one here, which is LRC 50, as you can see. And that was the dark brown that we used. So it's the dark brown Antique Restorer Cream. We used the alcohol cleaner, LRC 3, alcohol cleaner. And to obviously prep it down, we just used the bamboo pad to prep down. All of those items can be purchased from our store We hope you found that interesting and useful on restoring your Shearling leather jacket. Leatherrepaircompany.com for all your leather care help. Let us help you get the best out of your leather.